Hello there, this is Nader Knight. I am a technical and commercial program director. I'm working with enterprise solution and application delivery for over 12 years. I would like to present myself quickly about my background and education side. The agenda will be background projects, software delivered, challenges, and code coverage, leading technical enterprise workflow roadmap. Sorry. Uh, the education part, I have business. I holder of the business administration, Bachelor of Business Administration, Bachelor of Computer Science. Industries that work with war is manufacturing, power, energy, oil, utilities, in engineering, retail, wholesale, automotive, marine, mining. Extensive training in the program project management and project portfolio management, business intelligence, business administration, business analysis, sorry, and leadership. Management is going to consultant management. I've been into management consultancy, project management, technical leadership, system development, integration, working with North America, Latin America, and Middle East, plus Asia and Pacific, and North Africa. Solutions I worked with the Oracle Enterprise Solution, Cloud Fusion, Amazon, AWS, ADB's supply chain, human capital management, ADB Autodealer, IFS, smart plants, and automation part. This is actually the chart what I'm looking for in the one building a project or working on a project side and making sure everyone accountable know what they are exactly they're doing and how they are accountable, responsible, contributor, or being informed, and how the information get flow between the all the team that are working there within the project side. Software delivered, I've worked with the delivery of a large complex solution, which is going from Oracle Cloud Fusion, SAP, ADP, Smart Plants, IFS, Microsoft Dynamics. Models that work with is customer relation management, supply chain management, human capital management, business intelligence, point of sale, financial and ledgers, building the chart of account, and setting up the parameters from different models, how to feed the financial side, and working with the LMS, also learning management system, and EDI. Strategy, what I see that there should be some strategy in building the solution, which is going into the every solution requires a positioning strategy where it's getting to be commercialized and being acceptable on different levels of the client side, and this is where and also the and the solution should solve a client's problem, helping them in their today business operations part. The challenges are what I see there. It is the main challenge that's on how to manage the solution delivery and or the development part, and not and sometimes and it is mostly related also to the client clear client expectation, which is many times is not there. The expectations, it is from the client side, it should be tied with the technology and IT delivery. The technology part should touching the innovation and communication within different levels within the organization part, and the IT delivery should tied with their infrastructure, how they had it there, and are they thinking in the mobile and integration part and the cloud base. What I see the other things, it's related to the GUI and now these days the touch screens, also the mobile new generation, because any solution should be able to access, or application should be able to access from a mobile device, from computer, iPad, tablets, whatever that, and the handheld devices that everyone now these days having it. And what I see that delivers the infrastructure and how the data center being set up, and how the other or also other services that being set up there, the information communication, how they communicating effectively, utilizing the email, app stores, content management system, and document management system, plus social media as well. The innovation to use different innovation using different model enterprise and consumers, and thinking on the database and big data hosting part. The code coverage, it is as you know, 70 to 80% is the coding is going responsible for success of the system or failure of the system side, and 10 to 20% is for the testing of the system side. Increasing the code coverage above 70 80%, it is giving a high risk for the system that system for it will not be a project for a profit in the end of the day. And there's many reasons. The goal should depend on the risk assessment and economic of the project by considering some factors, which are the cost of failure, raise the goals and the safety and critical system side, or where the cost failure is high, and the resources, lowering the goal of lower the goals of testers if testers are spread thin, inadequately trained. Testable design should have proper designing, initial designing for it, and development cycle status. Lower the goal of maintaining legacy systems, and when especially it's coming to original design from the engineering part. Generally, they are some of them. They are generally full coverage, generally impractical or practical, and unit integration and system testing, attaining a higher code for coverage during the unit testing in the integration testing system and the system testing as well. Sorry, go back to one step, I think. Coverage metrics, and the coverage metrics it's going and depends on the information applied. So the code coverage metrics consider control structure independently. Specifically, they are how they are: the statement coverage, line coverage, basic coverage, basic block coverage, design coverage, condition, decision coverage, modified condition, and decision coverage as well. How to lead the technical enterprise software product managers need to build up a roadmap for constantly corporate wide a product. What I see that product should be flexible, and there's Victor Tiles. Victor Tiles. Where is the Victor Tiles standing for? Ability to demonstrate to demonstrating the capabilities of oncoming availability across all products. Ability to roll out of Victor Tiles to support all phases. Within phases with it. First will be the release global Victor Tiles based solution and online service development side and the programming tools. The application should be demonstrated to the user in advanced version of the capabilities capable and available to each and every release, and enable developers to explore beta and update versions. Supporting emerging technologies, which is going into the starting the it should be able to integrate with the different technology part and the different new technologies that's going there in the market. The workflow usually technical. I would like to separate into different workflows. One of them is to consider technical overview, which is considering the online forms. Building online forms should be able to build an start with a pre-built app or designing. It should have a workflow that's to outline each and every steps and what there, like creating, considering online forms, which is creating in a minute, creating a minute, drag and drop, simple and or a complex logic, integrate with a data source. and run forms from anywhere. The features should have drag and drop, products permission alert notification points, easy to create and easy to be created, and centralized dashboard should be there. And thinking centralized dashboard by creating upload data tables in Excel, create relationships, etc., integrate across internal external systems. I will go back to that thinking mobile, how to mobile apps, which is going either iOS or Android, or Microsoft One notification on the go, anytime, where access, browser or native, offline access available, and e-signatures as well, pre-built integration, easy to configure, custom integration, built into the Tab API. Wondering if you have any question, feel free to send it to me and share it to me by email. And I look forward the next step with the crossover. Thank you for your time, and it is a pleasure and interesting procedure that crossover following them. Wish you a wonderful day.